Hello, and welcome to our 2-minute tune up and tune in for Thursday, April the 20th. So many people they want to know, and they ask me, what is my soul's purpose? Well, we can connect with our souls through soul voice, through soul communication, and find out from our souls. And our souls are our best friend, our closest companion on our journey through life, with only our very best interest at heart. And so imagine being able to connect to your soul and ask whatever question you need the answer to for important issues in your life or just daily guidance. This is what the soul voice is about. Soul voice is the voice of the soul. And you can connect through soul communication. And one of those ways is through soul song. So today we're going to do a 2-minute tune up and tune in to our own souls. And I'm going to offer you a soul song to open your heart and soul to receiving those messages, to connecting more deeply, so that you can discover in every day what is your purpose for today. The soul, as I said, is our best friend, our closest companion. And I am a soul guide or a soul companion in the physical world that can help you to discover your soul's purpose and answer the questions in your heart. So today I will offer the blessing from my soul song to open your heart to your soul more deeply. And if you have more questions, or you wish to receive other blessings, or you wish to connect with me one-to-one to receive more information from your soul, I'd be happy to serve you in that way. And I will leave the email that you can connect with me for one-to-one services and blessings in the comments below. So today I'm going to offer this soul voice blessing with a Celtic drone underneath, because my roots are in the Celtic world, my history, my ancestry. And the practice of Anam Cara is very, very special to me. Anam Cara means soul companion or soul friend. And I am trained as a spiritual director, which means a soul guide, a soul friend, a soul companion, in addition to my certification as a master teacher of the Tao Academy and a Tao Song master practitioner of Tao Academy. So I'm bringing these all together to help you on your journey, and it would be my honor to serve you. So please fully relax, sit up straight, and just open your heart to receive. Receive the blessings from the soul song to help you to connect more deeply to your own soul today. So just let me put on the Celtic drone to connect to my ancestry here, and let's see what the soul has for you today as your heart opens.
How? Well, I hope that helped you connect more deeply to your heart and soul. If you've been wondering about your soul's purpose, if you'd like to bring out your own soul song and connect to your soul through your soul song, through your soul voice, and you don't know how, but you'd like to learn, I'd be happy to serve you. Please connect with me for a one-on-one session and join me tomorrow for another Tune In and Tune Up for blessings through the soul voice. It's been wonderful to be with you today. Thanks so much for coming.